Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be recreating my mother's photo when she went to Nainital with my sister. So this is the photo that I am going to recreate and let's see how it turns to be. So I asked my mother what kind of makeup she has done or what all things she has applied, and she said that she has applied nothing and no makeup except the bindi and the lipstick, and especially this unique hairstyle, which I'll try to get it by clipping my hair, but I'm finding really difficult. But let's see, maybe I'll be able to do it or maybe not. So let's begin. So firstly, what I think is very necessary is to get my hair done, because makeup is not the plus point in it. She has not done anything. So firstly I'm gonna tie my hair like this. So now the main thing is to make my hair look like that, the boy cut from the front and then a pony in the back, though the pony is not visible, but I'll try to make that sort of, I don't know what sort of haircut that was, maybe a fashion that time. Oh god, it's not coming neat.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
It's very difficult to do the hair thing, because if you see, it's almost boy cut from the front, and I'm finding it very difficult to do it, but somehow I've managed to do it. Oh no, I should have, you know, worn the dress before. I think I'm able to. It's pretty much looking like that. Don't you think so? Now what I am going to do is, maybe if I'll wear a dress and do the bindi thing and the lipstick thing, it's gonna look like that, because it's very difficult, you know, because our hair is literally short from the front. I won't be able to get the exact thing, but I'll try. I'll level best to match it at least. And then the lipstick thing. And maybe my mother never stays without a bindi, so the bindi is definitely mandatory. I don't have a red bindi, so I'll just put this black one. Enough. Oh my god, I could actually see I'm looking like my mother. So you can see the transformation from this to that. Maybe if I have not done justice to the hair, or maybe I'll try to do it. I think I won't be able to do it. So let's stick to this. And quickly, I just want to show you the dress she is wearing in this photo again is this dress that I have managed to find it. I'm just going to wear this and show you after wearing the dress at how I am looking. So hi, this was the recreation of my mother's photo. I don't know how much justice I did to it, but my mother really liked it.
जैसे कितना मतलब वो जैसे आप 10 में से कितना पॉइंट्स देंगी?
Hope you all liked it too. So So yeah, thanks for watching.